Hey guys, what is up? Connor here, and this isn't actually a how to code a Minecraft client video. This is a little bit of an announcement. I'm not really sure exactly what to call it. However, a lot of you have been asking to join Team Avocado, and to be honest, we weren't really doing that much, and the actual name was Team Decimation. I don't know. We started off as Avocado, I suppose. It was kind of to make fun of abolition, but nonetheless, I suppose we can start it back up. So I decided that I wanted to start this back up. So the 3 original members, not including me, will most likely be a part of it, and we are going to actually invite at least 2 of you, and if not all of the original people want to return, then possibly more. So basically, just comment your Skype down below, or you can send me a PM on YouTube if you want. However, comment below is preferred just because I'm definitely more likely to see it. And I'll just randomly pick a couple tomorrow and you guys can join our conversation. But for all of you, regardless of if you join Team Avocado or not, right here is a repository on GitHub, and it's actually for the client that we're going to make. I just came up with this morning. I got up early and I was just kind of thinking. So I just committed 2 minutes ago. It's just a comment that has Dark Magician's event API. If you're unfamiliar with it, then you will learn while we develop this client. But I figured in this video I'd kind of explain the way that it's going to work. Right now this is just the API. There's no Minecraft code in here whatsoever. It's all our own code. So the great thing about that is that basically it allows the client to not really necessarily be updated very much. And you're probably wondering, well, Connor, how does that happen? Well, basically it happens by this. We have a bunch of different interfaces for classes in Minecraft. For example, I already did one up. And by the way, any interface that actually will plug into Minecraft is gonna have to start with an A. Just that stands for avocado if you didn't figure that out. But just start it with an A so we know that it's an interface and that it is going to plug into Minecraft. And first off, I require for any pull request to be accepted, I want everything to be commented, including the top of the class. And if you added anything on, just put a comma and then your name if someone else had already started that class. Or I meant interface, but you know, class is fine too. And make sure you update the date that you are working on it. So as you can see, the first double that we have here is the exposition. So as you can see, I commented it gets the exposition of the entity and it will return the exposition of the entity, and same for all of these. This was just a very small start. I spent probably not even 5 minutes putting all this together, including the repo. So you guys kind of get the idea. Basically what happens is when you implement this whole API into Minecraft, the entity class in Minecraft will implement the A entity class. This will be like an external library. And then basically how that works is you can, at the bottom, basically you'll override all of these 3 doubles, and that makes it so that you actually return the correct value when you go to this class and ask for the get X, get Y, get Z, and so on. So basically it allows us to write all of our mods without even having any Minecraft code, which gives us a much more versatile client, and it's much easier to update. So that's how it works with any class. For example, a world, there's nothing in it, and then there's a Minecraft. For a world client will implement a world, and then there's a Minecraft, and Minecraft will implement this. For example, something that might be in here is public entity, or it would be a entity client player, most likely. That's probably what we're gonna call it. Get player, and basically in Minecraft, the entity client player MP class will implement the A entity client player. Therefore, we can return the player in Minecraft, like literally the player field, If you're familiar with that, it's just THE, and then it's a uppercase P, and then lowercase LAYER. So literally the player field, that's all we have to return when overriding the getPlayer method that's not actually there. It's actually an entity client player. But nonetheless, that's basically how this API works. So if you're unfamiliar with Git and how to push and pull and all that good stuff, then make sure you go check out a YouTube video. I don't have any specific recommendations. However, I would recommend just checking out the GitHub app and kind of exploring it. And I will see all pull requests, and I will respond if I, well, you know what, I'll respond to all of them regardless of if I merge them or not. And just because I accept your pull request does not mean, just because I merge it, does not mean that I necessarily like the code. I might touch it up a little bit. So I will definitely tell you if there's something wrong with your code. So this can be a great learning experience for all of us, including myself, to see if this will actually work. So first off is the API. Then we'll probably do a bit of modding for the actual Minecraft game. So yeah, that's basically it. Comment your Skype down below, and I'll add a couple of you to the Avocado group, I suppose. And make sure you guys contribute to this repo. I'll leave the link down below. Even those of you who do not get accepted, if you contribute enough, I will let you in. And for those of you who I do accept into Avocado, I know it's such a silly name, but you know, clearly I don't care about that. And those of you who aren't very active in Avocado, sadly, I'm not going to keep you in the group just because we want people who are going to be active. And I'm very aware that there is a lot of stuff coming up. For example, a lot of you are going back to school, and that is understandable. However, I like to see everyone on at least every 48 hours or so, even if you just say hi, if you're a member of Avocado. But nonetheless, please don't hesitate to comment here, because if you do give enough quality code to the repo, I don't know what to say really, but if you contribute enough quality work to this repository and Avocado, then we will reward you and let you into Avocado. So that pretty much sums up the video. I'm actually going to copy this link right now to put in the description because I'm too lazy to do it later. So we'll see you guys later. Hopefully you consider contributing and being a part of a new thing that hopefully will become big. So make sure you check out my repo. See you guys.